Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking kitchen. This month we have one of Kenny's favorites, a 15-minute creamy ravioli pasta dish, but with a twist. It has no milk in it, so let's go. Here's what you'll need. I used goat cheese ravioli, but if you'd like to make it all vegan, you can use sweet potato ones and some vegan cheese instead. Start by cooking the ravioli. Then in a pan, heat the oil and add the garlic, onion and spices and cook until fragrant. Don't ask, I don't know why I did that. Once cooked, add the tomato sauce, coconut milk, the bell pepper, and of course the cheese. A quick reminder, every like and subscribe helps this channel grow. Mix it well and bring to a simmer. Now add some pasta water and the ravioli. It will determine how thick your sauce will be. Gently, we don't want it to splash around. Make sure the ravioli is coated and let it cook for a couple of minutes before serving. Grab your trusty fork and enjoy this delicious 15 minutes ravioli meal. Let me know in the comments below how yours turned out and if you made the all vegan one. This is a runny sauce version for those of you who don't like a thick sauce as I do. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!